or meeting. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. Use this to begin a professional email politely. Thank you for your email. Thank you for your email. Use this when replying to someone's email. Please find the attached report. Please find the attached report. Use this when sending a report or document by email. Kindly review the attached file. Kindly review the attached file. Use this when asking someone to check a document. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any questions. Use this to invite questions after sharing information. I'll get back to you soon. I'll get back to you soon. Use this when you need time before giving a complete response. Thank you for your quick response. Thank you for your quick response. Use this when someone replies promptly. Please confirm once you receive the file. Please confirm once you receive the file. Use this to make sure the recipient has received your document. I'll update you by the end of the day. I'll update you by the end of the day. Use this when promising to provide an update before the workday ends. Please let me know your availability. Please let me know your availability. Use this when scheduling a meeting or call. I've completed the requested changes. I've completed the requested changes. Use this after finishing revisions to a file or report. The report has been attached for your review. The report has been attached for your review. Use this when sending a completed report by email. Thank you for your valuable feedback. Thank you for your valuable feedback. Use this after receiving helpful comments or suggestions. I'll make the necessary updates. I'll make the necessary updates. Use this when agreeing to revise a document or report. Please keep this information confidential. Please keep this information confidential. Use this when sharing sensitive business information. Could you approve this report? Could you approve this report? Use this when requesting approval before moving forward. I'll follow up next week. I'll follow up next week. Use this when planning to check back later. Please feel free to contact me. Please feel free to contact me. Use this to invite future communication. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your support. Use this to thank someone for their help or cooperation. The issue has been resolved. The issue has been resolved. Use this when informing others that a problem has been fixed. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. Use this after someone has waited for your response or solution. I look forward to your reply. I look forward to your reply. Use this at the end of an email when expecting a response. Have a productive day. Have a productive day. Use this as a professional closing in emails or messages. Best regards. Best regards. Use this as a formal email closing before your name. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Use this to politely end an email or meeting.